What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, you are witnessing my very first vlog. Yes, so it's my very first vlog, so I'm gonna take you along on my day in the life, whatever you call it, you guys. So it's gonna be exciting. I'm definitely out and about. I got my mask here. So let's continue this vlogmas, shall we? I figured that it would not be Vlogmas without at least doing a vlog for you guys, right? So happy Vlogmas, you guys. It is definitely a happy time. 'Tis the season. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching my first vlog. Go ahead and take a look. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we have made a special stop to my favorite coffee shop, and it is Scooter's Coffee. And this place has been really close to my house for a little bit, and I just recently started going there, and I absolutely love it. And this is what we have. We have a chocolate chip cookie here. Yes, these are really, really good. Not on the healthy side, but that's okay. You can have a cheat day here and there. So this is the next item I want to show you, and it is a muffin. This is my favorite muffin. It is a caramelicious muffin, and this is one of my favorite items on their menu. The next thing I want to show you guys is another muffin, and this is a chocolate muffin, and it is drizzled with some icing on top. The kids really like this kind. And this is me enjoying my favorite drink, which is their caramel blender. Next up is McDonald's, another favorite of the kids. We've got some french fries and some burgers, and of course some nuggets. All right, you guys, so next up we are going to go ahead and do a little bit of grocery shopping. We are definitely done with Thanksgiving and all the leftovers, so now it's time to kind of restock. And so we're going to go over to Hy-Vee. Here we are in Hy-Vee. This was my first time vlogging in a store, so it's pretty interesting. But I did want to capture some of the things they have. They have lots of flowers as soon as you walk in, and then lots of Christmas decorations, of course, some popcorn, some gift wrap. We have not got our Christmas popcorn yet, so we'll be getting that a little later. Beautiful Christmas tree. Go Chiefs. And now there's another Christmas tree and a nice TV for a pretty nice price. Not bad. Also, I'm just showing you a couple of items that I picked up. I made some of these brownies for Thanksgiving, and the kids absolutely love them, so I picked up some more. And the kids love to have these chips to snack on between virtual learning. And we try to balance it out with some fruit snacks. And of course, some green and some vitamin C juice. So here's my green juice right there. Yep, there it is. And then at the top of the ceiling of this store, there is different decorations. I just thought it was very, very festive. I even ran across some Christmas cakes. And these are my favorite Doritos. I absolutely love these. Comment below if you try these and if you like them. They're my favorite. Of course, we had to get some cheese, Kraft cheese. Why not? And in the ceiling, you see some more decorations. And this is pretty much their aisle with all the Christmas stuff that they have. Pretty much decorations. There is plates, gingerbread houses down below, which I may pick up one of those later for the kids. We've never had one before. But different things you can use to put icing on cake and cupcakes if you want. You can even use that to decorate the gingerbread houses. Lots of candy everywhere, and decorations at the top. And down below we have more candy. I did not get the kids candy today. We may get some candy later on, but I just kind of breezed through the candy. But I thought this big green tree was cool. Now my favorite part of the store, which is where I get my Aussie hair products for a low price. Look at that. I actually came across some new items to review for you guys. So I'm going to get some of this leave-in conditioner. It looks like it's a mousse. I don't have a mousse at home, so that'll be cool. And then this is a hairspray that's supposed to help your curls stay for 24 hours. And then I had to come over here and see what they had in the tool department. I don't need any more combs or brushes, but I did need some rubber bands. So that's what I'm looking for here. And as you can see, I have found them. Aha. And the tip for rubber bands, you want to put some oil around those rubber bands before you put them on your hair so that it doesn't break your hair. Just a little side note. I found a little mirror. I was debating on should I get it or not, but I decided to leave it and say hi to you guys too. But yeah, guys, they didn't have a whole lot in this section for hair. Obviously, it's a grocery store, but not a bad selection, all things considered. Alright, so here I'm just giving you a little snippet of everything that I got in the cart, and now it's time to check out. More decorations, look at the candy canes, and then on the way out I did want to take a look at this big tree in the front. I don't know how I missed it, so I just wanted to circle back and get it, but I think it's really pretty. I can't wait till we get our tree so that we can put it up, and I will show you guys when I do that. Very nice. I even stumbled across a cute little tree outside. Now we're back on the road, you guys. We are just going to continue this day. It's been very exciting vlogging for you guys for the first time. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. Here's a little side view. And a front view. And so now we're on our way to the car wash, and I'm excited about that because I think it would be really cool to vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will try to capture some of the sound, but I know it can be really loud at the car wash. So mostly I want you guys to enjoy the visual. And that is it for this voiceover. I thank you guys for watching so far. Stay tuned all the way to the end. Alright, you guys, you have just witnessed my very first vlog, so thank you very much for staying tuned and for rocking with me. I know this video was a little bit different, but hey, it was fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye!